Good morning from Germany. I just woke up. അപ്പോൾ ഗുഡ് ബൈ ജർമ്മനി. സാഡ് മാൻ. അപ്പോൾ ഗുഡ് ബൈ ജർമ്മനി. So anyway, we are at the airport now. ഇനി പോണം. Terminal 1. റൂമിൻ്റെ അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെൻറ്റ് കല്ല്. Guys, so finally we made it. ഇവിടുത്തെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി ഫ്രീ. This National Geography's jacket. Oh damn! Look at this boys. Always aim for food today. Look how close the flights are. Okay, that's not like really close, but look at this. Like literally couple of days. Bread pretzels. Normal breakfast. Guys, whiskey guys. Wow. Okay, this is like the normal stuff which we get. With this beer dispenser, man. Damn. The other side I found this too and this as well. I'll just try everything. Let's see this. Good in. No. Oh. Let's go there. So this is the flight. So we are going to earlier Prague. So hello in Prague. Wow. I'm sad for leaving Germany, but it's okay. So this is the Czech Republic airport, also known as Prague. Here it's known as Czech Republic. I mean, it's the same thing anyways. Next plan, I think we'll either take a car or taxi. Let's see. Oh, അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ വാഹനം ഫോർ 2 days. നല്ല വണ്ടിയാ. ഓടിയ 40 ലക്ഷം രൂപ നാട്ടിൽ. Not bad actually. This is our car for like 3 days. Today is first and we have to return this on 3rd. It's not bad. ഇല്ല 18 കിലോമീറ്റർ കാണിച്ചായിരുന്നല്ലോ. We have reached the hotel. This is our hotel. So yeah, we checked into the hotel and I was really tired and just jet lagged and stuff. So just taking a rest. Now we are going out actually. അപ്പോൾ തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോൾ I'll try to show my room. Hopefully if I don't forget. Look at this place. Looks nice. Rolls Royce Now we are here at the airport to check for the PCR tests. So it's, I think, a Rari spot car. Looks amazing. Holy. Office on. See? We are waiting over here to get the PCR test done. I think we can do it now, not sure. Oh yes, still at the airport. I mean, look at this. Time now is 7:30. Waiting for like hours. Finally it's done. I think we'll eat dinner here and then go back. So hungry, but we tried to go to Pizza Hut, but it is closed. Finally we ended up trying KFC. God knows when it will come. Already you saw money at time. We are going back to the hotel, guys. ജർമ്മനിയിൽ മെർസഡീസ് കൊണ്ടുപോലെ ഇവിടെ ഫുൾ സ്കോഡാണ്. 30 ഫിൽസ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ we have just reached back. We have to walk to our hotel. Actually night view man. Wow. എല്ലാം ഓരോ പള്ളിയാണ് guys. Okay, wow. Again this is our hotel Esplanade. Okay then. Just look at this. ഒരു പള്ളി, രണ്ട് പള്ളി, മൂന്ന് പള്ളി, നാല് പള്ളി. I mean, it looks good. More than the day, I prefer this night look.